Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I am teacher Mr. Sanaullah. How are you, my dear students of grade 8? I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to do two exercises on page number 68 of module 9 in the English grammar workbook. For these two exercises, our topics are different ways of making predictions. First of all, we will do exercise 5 on page number 68. You will reorder the words in these sentences. The first word is underlined. Like this is the question A. Here you will say I will or I'll has been underlined. It means you will start your sentence by using I'll in the beginning. Okay, and the rest of the sentence must be done by you. Tonight see I'll definitely Ray. I'll definitely see Ray tonight. Now number B. Probably pass Carlos his exam won't. Now you will start a sentence with Carlos and the other words you will arrange in a proper way to make a new sentence. Carlos won't pass his exam probably. You can also write this adverb after Carlos, like Carlos probably won't pass his exam. This is also okay. If you want to write the answer as it has been written in blue color, no issue at all. Carlos won't pass his exam probably. C. Stay New York, decide in Theresa May too. You will take these words to make a new sentence. That will be your answer. Please write complete sentence with correct spellings. Theresa may decide to stay in New York. Theresa may decide to stay in New York. And now D. Get isn't to Sandy job likely the. And your answer will be Sandy isn't likely to get the job. Sandy isn't likely to get the job. Page number 68, exercise 5, question number E. Next almost I'll computing year do certainly occurs. And your answer will be I will almost certainly do a computing course next year. I will almost certainly do a computing course next year. F. So could us late don't we for wait we. Now here we has been underlined, so it means the new sentence will start with the word we. Okay, that is a subject pronoun. We could be late, so don't wait for us. We could be late, so don't wait for us. That is your answer. Now G. Weekend away, probably we this won't go. Write your answer. We probably won't go away this weekend. We probably won't go away this weekend. And H. Loads are on there the likely beach be to people of. Please write your answer clearly. There are likely to be loads of people on the beach. There are likely to be loads of people on the beach. Now we are going to do our exercise 6A on page number 68. You will rewrite these sentences so that they mean the same using the words in brackets. If you see number 1 sentence, Brazil are likely to win the World Cup. Brazil is being used as a collective plural noun, so that is why the linking verb is are here. Okay. Now your answer will be the words between Brazil and World Cup. Okay. Now in order to facilitate you, the teacher has given you may well, but that's not enough. You will also take some word or words from the question statement. Brazil may well win the World Cup. The words which are highlighted in blue color make the answer for number 1. Number 2. I'm sure we won't have time to do any sightseeing. Now you will start a sentence with we. Okay. We is the subject. It means there is no predicate in the sentence. You will make the predicate by using the word definitely. Okay. We definitely don't have time to do any sightseeing. Okay. Here the person says that I'm sure we won't have time. It means there is no chance that we will have some time to go for any tourism or sightseeing. Your answer will be we definitely don't have time to do any sightseeing. Number 3, it will probably rain before the end of the day. It means there is a chance for rain. It may be, it may not be. Okay, but the word is written probably. It means there is likely to be something is going to happen. Okay, now you will start a sentence with it, and the rest of the sentence must be done by you by using the word likely. It is likely to rain before the end of the day. It is likely to rain before the end of the day. And number 4, perhaps my friend Mary will be a famous actress one day. Now write the answer. My friend Mary could be a famous actress one day. You will use this could in a sentence to make a good expression. Perhaps my friend Mary will be a famous actress one day. So when you are using perhaps in a future prediction, it means there can be something, there cannot be something. And that's why it is written could here. Okay. My friend Mary could be a famous actress one day. And number 5, my boss is very unlikely to agree to the pay rise. My boss is very unlikely to agree to the pay rise. Is very unlikely means surely he will not do. Okay. So here it is written almost certainly. Almost certainly. Now you will make a negative expression in the sentence to have the same meaning as written in number 5. My boss almost certainly won't agree to the pay rise. My boss almost certainly won't agree to the pay rise. That is our answer. And number 6, I think you will recognize my sister when you see her. I think you will recognize my sister when you see her. Now you will write a sentence by using the word probably along with some other phrases or words from number 6 question statement. And your answer will be, you will probably recognize my sister when you see her. The words which are highlighted in blue color make the answer for number 6. You will probably recognize my sister when you see her. And number 7, we probably won't get back from the theater before midnight. Yes, my dear students, you are going to make an answer for number 7 by using the word likely. We are not likely to get back from the theater before midnight. If the teacher gives you unlikely, then you will say we are unlikely to get back. Now the teacher has given you likely in the bracket to make a sentence. So you will say we are not likely. It means we will not come back. Okay. We are not likely to get back from the theater before midnight. And the last one on page number 68 for exercise 6A. I am sure that our teacher will give us a lot of homework for the weekend. Now you are going to start a sentence with these two words, our teacher. But you have to use these words almost certainly in your answer statement. Our teacher will almost certainly give us a lot of homework for the weekend. Our teacher will almost certainly give us a lot of homework for the weekend. That's how we have done our 2 exercises about future prediction on page number 68. Please revise these 2 exercises again as a token of your homework. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.